To change the order of pages on a PDF on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open My Files app and then navigate to the folder where the PDF file you like to rearrange its pages is in. Tap the PDF file to open it. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap Page Sorter. Now drag and drop the desired page to change its order. Once done reordering the pages, tap the back key. If needed, you can review the order of the pages to make sure that it's been rearranged properly as you need. If you are okay with the result, tap Save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.